More memes, and I can only hope that they're good memes, but I don't know. You know, I said take a break, but I can't help myself. I really can't. I love memes. Either way, if you're feeling it, go and blaze up the like button. If you feel like it, go and hit the subscribe button or become a member. And if you want to, go ahead and comment whatever it is you want to comment down below. But let's go, memes, people.
Cooking up in here. Can I get some mashed potatoes, bro?
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah, the mashed potatoes, those nasty ass mashed potatoes. They don't look like mashed potatoes.
What the? Nah, I don't.
Toilet right
I
here.
don't want.
Whoa.
Forgot my drink. Oh, okay.
Having fun there, sweetie? Good old time.
Muchas gracias, afición. Este para vosotros.
There's demons in the house.
What's on that's making it do that? Oh.
Hades.
Oh.
Michael, don't leave me here.
Sorry.
Michael, my God, help me.
And? Is it a joke? No? It's great. I'm taking offense to a shoe? Maybe. What's the joke here? What's the joke? It's a shoe. A nice shoe. It does look ridiculous, okay? Okay, it has its moments, but still, I wanted them. Do I still want them? Maybe not. Maybe not. But I love Converse nonetheless. Wait. I might decided just to do some weird ass shit. Maybe because I was yelling at it. I don't know. It's weird. Well, why am I talking while I'm moving the mic? It sounds like craziness. I'm pretty sure y'all like, what? Stop moving the mic if you're trying to talk, right? Yeah, I know. You know what? I'm just gonna start leaving shit in. I mean, I'm already jacking up shit when I'm live. Shameless promotion yet again. Ooh, look what I'm doing it. I'm supposed to be live streaming tonight, watching some Twitch shit. But y'all not seeing this video until later. You know, that's how shit works. As I said, members get these videos first. Well, become a member if you want to. Go ahead. Yes, the shameless plugs today. Become a member. Subscribe. Blaze up that like button. Do the thing. Hey. Okay. I'm not forcing you. I'm politely asking you. Oh. Adorable.
So the last one, over the fence and to the car, has to pay for dinner. All right? Okay. Let's do it. Let's do it.
Cass? Paula Nerf?
What do you believe the future looks like? I know
Next is Coca-Cola with ice and some steaks with burgers, you know.
That sounds
It's
good.
like, I'm very hungry.
so am I.
Thank you.
Are you hot?
Yo! This rat literally stole a bun from the kitchen and is hopping around not giving a fuck. What is that? I mean, you consider that meme just, I mean, what else could... Hi! Peanut Butter Kid? Oh! What is that? Like, what would you consider that meme to be? What would you type in? Let's see. We got that, the guy, oh, I missed that. Oh, man, I missed that. Oh, my goodness, give me a second. Hold on. Okay, I'm done. I like that out meme. What is this, a snore meme? Hold on, snoring. This is what you're doing with your time in life. I could be doing worse things, you know. What is that meme called? I must find out. Let's find out more by Googling.
잘했다. 미쳤어. 비주얼 봐.
You done? What's the boys one looking like? Ow!
Hey, fuck you dancing for.
I don't know. Try. Ajax? Wait, what? Oh, it's not finished yet. I mean, it's harmless, but why would you do it? Why would you do it?
She gon' mind her business. This is a pigeon. I feel like Charlie Brown, except I ain't brown. Bitch, I'm green. This is the sound of a lottery machine.
At that point, excuse me? Did you say 10:19? 10:19, 10:09, 10:19, and 10:59? Whoa! At this moment in time, I'm not gonna lie. I am glad I'm living in the country right now. Yes, our gas prices is high, but 10? You say 10? I'm walking. I'm walking at that point. I live next to stores. I'm walking. I could probably lose some weight in the process. And it's the snoring me. You can do that too.
She made fun of me for getting Capri Suns, and then she drank 8 of my Capri Suns.
Zach, you're in your 20s and you're arguing over Capri
Mom,
Suns.
It's his Capri Suns.
You ground her or I fight her. So there's 2 options, and my fists are already up.
You're 20 and you took the Capri Suns. Look, it's the principle behind it. It's the you talk shit about my shit, never see to drink my shit. Make it make sense, sis. I don't know what's wrong with me today. I'm sorry. Wow. What is that nasty ass shit? Come on, man. Brushing your teeth with a toothbrush.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Oh my God.
There is no English word that starts with a D and ends with a Z.
These nuts.
Prove me wrong.
These nuts.
My computer stopped working.
Imagine if men had periods. Hear me out. He'd be like, fuck, I'm on my period.
God, that stupid ass sound. I won't say what I think you guys would be like if you guys were on your period. So I'm gonna leave that alone. Luckily, y'all don't have them. So, you know, y'all have other things to worry about. We all got problems. How we deal with those problems is how we deal with those problems. But everyone, and you can't tell me no different, everyone has a problem. If you don't have problems, I'm pretty sure you can find one.
I want problems, always!
I think that's just part of life. Problems. When you're born, they give you a package, and it's a problem package. You take that with you for the rest of your life.
MILF. Man, I love frogs.
Yes, let's go ahead and change that to that. Yes, I like it. I like it. Yes. Man, I like frogs. Yes. Lovely. Perfect. Dude, you can't take that. Go put that back. You know we can't afford that.
What do you think, money grows on trees in this family? Take it back. Get some Pampers for you and your brother while you're at it.
My brain when I start using skin products. Skincare products. Excuse me.
A vagina.
Oh, well, damn. Sorry to hear that. It's okay to take care of your skin. Oh, wow. Easy cleanup. you don't do when you're in the process of building? Don't get angry. When it comes, I watch my husband build these computers. He builds computers, and it's like, yo, if you're getting frustrated, just back up. Just back up for a second. To witness with my eyeballs to see what goes into building these computers, no. Don't get angry at it. Stop. Who is going to clean this up?
Okay.
Okay. Isn't it going to break? Oh, you missed. Okay.
No. That's player 1. You get player 2.
I'm doing this every time.
Sir, will you please stop staring at me?
Where's the rest of you?
Oh. Now, we gotta watch some more. But are we gonna hear the snore meme happen again? I'm sorry. Memes that will make you lose your brain cells. Okay, I'm losing it. All right, just a little bit. So yes, Deep was right on that. Okay. Hey, are you looking at Meow Meow? Meow Meow Kid?
The gas, Joe. I got a car.
Oh, the gas.
I got a car, Joe.
Oh.
Look at me, Joe.
I feel you.
Joe, my feet is on land.
Oh.
My feet is on land.
I feel you, though.
I can run into a landmine.
Oh.
This is all on you, Joe. I hope you're paying for my funeral, Joe. Now I gotta walk these streets because the gas price is too high.
See?
Oh my God!
Man, I can't be serious right now. You're doing it wrong.
Oh my God, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
So you mean to tell me this is a commercial, and the commercial wants me to believe that they both did this at the same time and they all made it into the basket? But y'all edit that part in? That's what I'm assuming. His ball's going the wrong way. Shit. Oh. Mice? Oh, shoot. Okay. Oh. How are you doing that?
What's that say?
I shit myself.
Oh, okay. So you had to feel what they wrote on your back. I shit mice.
What's that say?
I shit myself.
My grandma told me she stopped smoking. Grandma?
Ian!
Oh!
No.
That's not working.
Welcome back to another episode of The Preschool Apprentice. Today was a Saturday. There was no school. We've never heard of this before, but they said that there's no school on Saturdays. I said, whoopee! And that was fantastic.
They would never know.
What the fuck?
Who would ever know?
Patronum! Expensive petroleum!
Give me the sheep next time because the meow make. Hey, yo, who was that on your forehead?
Adam, come here and look at this picture.
What about it? Spider-Man.
What do you see?
Spider-Man.
What do you see?
Spider-Man.
Kasha, your husband is gay.
Come here. What do you see?
Spider-Man.
Boobs.
What? I'm not gay.
Is he gonna fall over with this damn thing? That's great. you stop thinking about those gas prices.
Welcome to Taco Bell.
You are
My fire,
the one.
desire.
Believe I want it that way. So tell me why.
Ain't nothing but a heartache.
Tell me why.
Ain't nothing but a... Besides the snore meme being hella annoying, it's not that annoying. There's another meme that we're not going to talk about that some people like to bring up.
Super Idol 的笑容都没你的甜，8月正午的阳光都没你耀眼。
I'm glad we don't hear it. Why did I just drop it? I don't know. Because I had to let y'all know that we don't hear it no more, and I swear. I feel like I'm just opening a Pandora box with that. Maybe I am, maybe I'm not. I'd rather hear the snore meme over and over and over than Super Idol. It just is what it is. Funny changes. 1 minute it'll be funny, and then the next year it won't be funny no more. 1 decade it'll be funny, next decade it ain't funny no more. My funny isn't funny anymore. My funny is rude and offensive. Either way, Blaze Squad, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure you blaze up the like button. If you made it all the way to the end of this video, go ahead and comment.
I want problems, always!
And I will see you guys in the next video.